Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen, as-salatu was-salamu ala khatimin nabiyyin wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in, amma ba'd, fa'auzu billahi minash shaitanir rajeem, bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Qala Allahu ta'ala fi Surah Al-Anaam, يا معشر الجن والإنس ألم يأتكم رسل منكم يقصون عليكم آياتي وينذرونكم لقاء يومكم هذا قالوا شهدنا على أنفسنا وغرتهم الحياة الدنيا وشهدوا على أنفسهم أنهم كانوا كافرين. Translation: O you assembly of the jinn and mankind, did not the messengers come to you from among you who recited my verses to you and warned you of the meeting of this day? They will say, we testify against ourselves, and this worldly life deceived them, and they bear witness testifying against themselves that they were disbelievers. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has made this system that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has given the humans and the jinns the option of the straight path or the option of sins. If they want to choose the option of the straight path, they will see the signs of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, they will see the ayahs of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and they will bring iman on those, and they will be successful. However, those among the jinn and ins who choose to go on the sinful path, who goes to get all the pleasures of this world with halal or haram, they don't care about doing the sins, they don't care about breaking the commandments of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. They feel that they are doing something good, but they are getting into a path that will end up in the painful punishment of hellfire. In the world, they think that they can make excuses, but in front of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, there won't be any excuse, and Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will ask them about the life of this world, and He will ask that, did the messengers come to you, and did you get my ayahs? And they will have to speak the truth at the time, and they will say, yes, the messengers came and we had the ayahs. But the main problem is the love of this world. If the love of this world is higher than the love of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, then the person will go on the crooked path, the path of sins, and will end up in the hellfire. And this worldly life is the life of deceiving. One must keep his eyes open to see the truth, and if somebody is seeing the truth and following the truth, they will find the right path, and Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will help them. But if somebody wants to continue on the sinful path and try to get the pleasure of this world, they will end up in the hellfire, and in the day of judgment they will have to say against themselves that they had all the proofs of the right path, but they deliberately and willingly chose the path of sins and the path of fire. Let's pray that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala give us a true understanding of Quran and make us steadfast on the straight path. Ameen. Wa akhiru da'wana alhamdulillahi rabbil alameen. Assalamu alaikum.